2018 itelligence conference, we've picked the theme of the new reality. In previous years, we talked about the changes that were coming with new technology. This year, we're seeing more and more customers adopting and going live with these new technologies.
The 5th year we've had the conference in London. We've moved to a new venue. As the business has grown by 600% since 2010, the conference has grown in line with that.
We had the keynote session in the morning. We've got 24 separate breakout sessions focused on individual topic areas where people can dive a little bit deeper. We've also got a number of specific demonstrations of internet-connected devices, augmented reality glasses, even a robot that's wandering around talking to people.
We've got many different strands in the business at the minute that's looking at AI, digital data, how we can improve our analytics capabilities, and it's given us ideas today about how we can sort of bring that together and really take something back as a proposal to the business.
There is a recognition that we need to digitalise and transform, and it's great when you come and look at other industries and see what they're doing and start thinking about how we can apply it in a legal sector.
The agenda's been fun and engaging. It's been great to meet with people from other universities and other industries. On top of that, it's been great to get some of the expertise from the consultants' corner as well.
You look at the demonstrations we did at the beginning, okay, with the facial recognition and the augmented reality and the use of the drone there. A year ago, people thought that kind of thing was far-fetched and was beyond them.
There's a nice balance of real practical things and also forward-looking technology, forward-looking ideas, what the product set's going to be doing in the future, some kind of motivation for what we do next.
At SAP, we're incredibly proud about our partnership with itelligence. We are partners now for almost 30 years. Together, we have 6,000 clients globally, and together we will make these clients win in the new reality.
I go to lots of conferences every year, but the itelligence conference is absolutely one of my favorites. It has the best combination of interesting speakers and real-life customer stories.
It really is great to see so many SAP existing and potential customers in one space at one time.
The possibilities that you see at something like this, particularly some of this morning's really blue sky sessions, I'll go home invigorated today and think about how we can put that into practice.